know what time it is? It's the time when Apple launches its new AirPods Pro. And as you can see, a new Apple AirPods Pro comes in different color. And if I told you that I can create this using a Freecad software and finally print it using a 3D printer, how amazing it will be. Here it is, Apple AirPod Pro using Freecad. So to make Apple AirPod Pro using a Freecad, I have created a circle of radius 7 mm in XY plane and then turned into a cylinder of height 60 mm using a pad feature. Then in IZ plane using a B-spline tool, I have created its outer body, and then using a revolution feature, I have created its ear plane. And then finally, to make its clear bird, I have used loft feature. For doing so, I have created a two circle in YZ plane of radius 3 mm and 5 mm and then joined them together using a revolve feature. And as we know that Apple AirPod Pro comes with a case, so to make a case, I have gone through a XY plane, and then in XY plane I have created a slot, and then using the loft feature I have joined the two slots. And finally, to give its color, I have selected that part and using a view feature, and then appearance I have given them a desired color. So finally, to print it using a 3D printer, we have to use a export feature and create an STL file. So to 3D print it, we have to open the STL file and click on the slice feature by desiring your infill and all other things. And as you can see, it takes 2 hours 38 minutes time to print my earphone. So to print its case, it takes me 1 hour 10 minutes. Also, I have created a twisted vase using loft feature, pan stand using a pad feature, and vase using a revolve feature. Thank you for watching.